Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. We've got some excited dogs. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for November 2020. Sorry, I had to think about what month we're in. 2020 is just such a weird year. If you're new to my channel, I do this sort of like competition to see which Ipsy is a better value for you. So the regular Ipsy glam bag, this is $12 a month. In here we should have 5 samples catered to our beauty profile. The profile on this bag is not my normal profile, so it is somebody who wants more adventurous makeup, different hair color, different eye color, different person other than me who you're seeing right here. And then the Glam Bag Plus, this is $25 a month. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. This is my normal profile, so more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, eye color, hair color, all that stuff. So it's just sort of like a fun competition to see which bag is better, which bag I like more, does your profile even matter, all that stuff. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if I don't know if something is cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right here for you, as well as its estimated sample value, or if it's full size, I will put the full size value of it. I should also mention, because I forgot to mention this, in Ipsy you can pick one item I believe to be in the bag, but I didn't pick anything. I almost never do. Every once in a while I'll get to the email fast enough to pick something, but they give you like one day and I'm not that fast. Okay, let's just go ahead and start the video. I think I'm going to start with the regular glam bag. I always start with this one for some reason. And typically I like this bag better. Anyways, here's the bag this month. Really cute. Big fan of it. I don't normally love these bags. They are kind of small. But this is really cute. Big fan. The little zipper thing is pink and it says Ipsy on it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to pull out is the little card that has the theme for the month, which is Be Present. There's that, and the card actually matches the bag. The card should have, yes, okay, so the card right here is going to have everything we're getting, as well as their full-size value, which I will let you know that too. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing. The first thing I have right here is from TARTE, which is cruelty-free. This is the Deep Cleanse. Love the packaging on that. That is like my favorite color. So really, really cute. So this is a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract. Maybe loofah fruit, something like that. So it's for your face. Apply to wet face, avoiding eyes, rinse. So it's just a cleanser. Go ahead and break that seal so we can see what it smells like. Oh. So it doesn't really smell like much other than just like a cleanser, but you can see it kind of coming out of the top. It is like gel-like almost. Yeah, I definitely will use it. Let me pop that bubble, see if that'll go back in. And let's get a full-size value on that. So the full size is $38. I've only tried one thing from TARTE. It was a sample I believe I also got in an Ipsy. It was a face cream. I liked it. I know a lot of people are really hyped about that brand. It was just like a lotion for me. So I definitely will give that a try though. Maybe I'll love it, but I don't imagine I would pay $38 for a face cleanser, just me personally. All right, moving right along, let's pull out this thing. So this is from Item, which I have a bronzer from them. I think I also got an Ipsy bag. This is a Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. So it's in this plastic bag, which seems wasteful. Okay, so just judging by the name Hydrating, why am I saying that weird? Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. I don't know if that's something I'd be into. The shade is called Lunar Drop, so maybe it's just like a liquid like shimmer sort of deal. Go ahead and swatch it for you. Okay. So yeah, it definitely looks better than it sounds. So there it is on my hand. I might use that. It's not bad. Very, very shimmery. All right, and the full size on that is $14. So I don't think that's actually too bad of a price for a liquid eyeshadow. Not too bad. You okay, bud? Anyways, the next thing I'm pulling out is from TRESTIQUE, which is cruelty-free. This is a line sharpen and smudge eye pencil, and it's in black sand. Santorini black sand. There's the packaging. I've never tried an eye pencil from them, but this is like my favorite kind of eyeliner to use. It's just like the kind that you twist up. I love that for like my waterline. Very creamy. There's the swatch. Pretty good. I definitely will use it. The one I was using just ran out, so I haven't been wearing eyeliner on my bottom waterline, so definitely excited to get that. That may be full size. I'm not sure. Let me double check here. So it is full size, valued at 19 bucks. For black eyeliner, I think that's a little much. You can definitely find drugstore much more affordable. But I got it in this bag, so I definitely will use it. Whoops, dropped it on the floor. All right, moving right along, let's just pull out this next thing. This may be a lip product. Okay, so this is from Jules Smith Beauty. I don't know if I've ever tried anything from this brand. Maybe? I'm not sure. Some sort of like lip thing. The shade is Namaste All Day. The packaging, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see the reflection, but there it is. I do like this color. It smells like something, not bad. I can't put my finger on what it smells like. All right, so there's the color. I'm not sure if that's gonna dry down matte or if it's gonna stay like a cream or satin. So I definitely will check back on that to see how it dries down. So the full size is $18, which seems pretty typical for more like high-end liquid lips, but I'm not sure if this is considered high-end. I don't know. Anyway, got that. All right, we have one last item in this regular glam bag, and this is from KOKIE, which I think is only sold at Walmart. I'm not sure. This is a soft glow highlighter, and mine is in the shade Rosy. So there's the outer packaging. Pretty nice. This might be a full-size product too. There it is. It's looking really copper on screen, but it is like a cool tone pinkish copper is like the only way I can describe it. Definitely not a color that I'm into for highlighter. Definitely goes with the profile, I'd say. Yes, this is full size, valued at $5.99, which is very, very affordable. I'm not going to swatch it just because I don't think this is a color I would enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and save that for a giveaway. Okay, and that's everything we got in the regular glam bag. Do I think it fits the profile? I think the highlighter and maybe the liquid eyeshadow are pretty good for it. The black eyeliner is pretty typical for any subscription box. I think most people, no matter your makeup preference, wear just black eyeliner typically. And then the cleanser, not, that's just more universal, I would say. So overall, it sort of fits the profile. I liked it overall though. And that lipstick is now dry, it is matte. So it feels comfortable though on my hand, like it's not drying down and like making my skin feel tight. So definitely think that would feel nice on my lips. Okay, now that we've done the regular glam bag, it's time to move into the Glam Bag Plus. This is what it comes in, this little drawstring bag. I really like this one, very cute. Okay, so this will have a card in it as well, but they don't put the value of anything on here anymore, which is weird. Why would you put the full-size value in the sample bag, but not in the bag that has full-size products? And like, they don't even give you the information about the product. Like that other card tells me things about the product. This is like, why is this even in here? Personally, that's how I feel. It's kind of irritating. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this weird envelope thing first. So this is from LaRousse, which I'm not sure if I've tried anything from this brand, but it does say vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic on the back. I don't understand that. I don't even know what this is, but it looks like an envelope. Very interesting. Oh, it's brushes. Do I have brushes from this brand? I don't know. I feel like I have brushes like this, but I can't remember what they're from. No, maybe they're a little different. Okay, so it's 4 brushes. Some of these are very interesting. Let me go ahead and take them out of the plastic so you don't have to hear that sound, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so I have 4 brushes here. There's first this one, and let me show you the handle. They're studded. Really, really cute. This is a contour blending brush. I would probably use this for a cheek highlighter. I don't contour, I use bronzer, which is, I guess, in this day and age, the same thing. But this they're super soft, by the way. This is something I would use for like my highlight if I were to wear cheek highlight, which I don't typically wear. And then the next one I have, this is a kabuki brush, but it's kind of little, like it's like a small kabuki, kind of like that. I would maybe use this for foundation or something. Cute, like that. This next one is a tapered face brush. This is the shape I use for bronzing. I can show you the one I have. It's a little bit bigger, but like this sort of dome. I don't know the shape this is, but it like just fits perfectly into your cheekbone. So I like this shape. I don't know why I'm still holding that. I like this sort of shape for bronzer personally. Okay, and then this other brush is like no other brush I've ever seen before. So there's that. That is interesting. This has to be some sort of like blush. Maybe this is a highlighter brush. Flat angle. It's not even flat though. What would you use this for? Comment below and let me know what you would use this shape for. It fits like onto your cheeks perfectly. That's so interesting. I've never seen a brush like that. Okay, so got those 4 brushes. I definitely don't really need any more brushes, but I really, really like the handles on these. I need to do like a brush declutter because I have so many brushes. It's kind of ridiculous, and I need to get rid of some, pass them on to somebody else. Okay, let's pull out this thing. This is from SERAPHINE Botanicals, which is cruelty-free. This is a fruit butter lip mask. I really love the packaging for this brand. It's just very natural and like simple. Very, very cute. So let's open it up and see what we're dealing with here. And then it's sealed again. So I'm going to just go ahead and put some on my hand for you. Ooh, it's creamy. Normally they're like almost like a jelly consistency, but it's like jelly creamy. It smells like strawberries or cherry, some sort of fruit, but that definitely, it feels like, you know, Vaseline, Aquaphor, that sort of deal. Definitely something I would wear to bed. That's normally when I wear like the thicker creams and like lip sort of things. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off real quick though. All right, so yeah, excited to give that a try. Definitely think it will feel nice on my lips, especially during this time of year where everything's really, really dry, and I live in the desert where it's already dry, so I need any moisture I can get. Okay, let's pull out the next item. This is from TRESTIQUE again, which I've already mentioned is cruelty-free. This is a Color Plus Contour Cheek Stick, and mine is in the shade Brazilian Bronze. Let's hope this is a good color for me. I don't typically use like a cream contour or a cream bronzer. This brand loves to use this like shape on everything, like their lip bullets and like everything. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So yeah, when you open it up, it's actually just rounded at the top. Okay, so this would probably work for me. It's sort of, I guess it is a little cool toned. So there is, I'm just going to try like rubbing it in to see how easy it is. So yeah, you can see like, I mean, this obviously isn't how I would do bronzer, but it definitely goes lighter, so that would probably be a good color for me. I will try it. Like I said before, I don't typically reach for this. I just prefer a powder. I think it's easier to like blend out, but that seemed to blend out pretty easily, so maybe I'll give that a try. Okay, we have 2 more items. The next one I'm pulling out is from Tarte. This is from their Sugar Rush line. They are a cruelty-free brand. This is, what are you? A Lip Sip vegan lip oil, in mine's in the shade Dragon Fruit. Okay, so I just checked. I actually do already own like a little sample of this. And so I'm just going to show you this one so I don't have to open that one. I'll probably throw that one into a giveaway just because I have tons of lip stuff to get through. So the smell is, you know, a little bit fruity. And then it's just like a lip gloss or like a lip oil. It feels glossy. It's sticky. I'll show you on my hand. You can see like there's a slight little tint of color, but not too much. Can I help you, sir? Yeah, you can see like this would take me forever to get through. Like I have this little one and I haven't even got through it. So I'm going to go ahead and toss that into a giveaway. All right, one last item. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. This is the, looks like it doesn't have a name. It's just 6 color eyeshadow impressed pigment palette. They are cruelty free. I have tried I think I have one palette from this brand, and I really, really like it. Their shadows are pretty good, so not mad to get this. I like that it's small because the other one I have is fairly large, and the smaller palettes just seem to be coming back into trend, and I kind of like that. It just is less overwhelming, and I'm into it. Ooh, this is not what I was expecting. That is cool. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the colors inside. Oh, this color in real life is almost neon. I don't know why it's not translating to camera, but it is like neon. Very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Let's see, there's 5 mattes and only 1 shimmer, which is really all you, not all you need, but if as long as the shimmer is good for all the colors in there, I think that's, you know, pretty good. It's definitely workable. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of these shades. So there they are on my hand. See, you can see that orange color looks much more coral now on my finger. Actually, it's called coral. That's why I keep saying that. But it's more neon. Like, those swatch pretty good. Even the mattes, which is pretty hard to do. Like, they're all pretty even. The shimmer looks nice. Yeah, not mad to get that. I wonder if that coral is a pressed pigment. Sometimes it'll say. But the coral shade did stain my hand a little bit, so if you are sensitive to that or something that you don't like, just be mindful that it may stain your eyelid. Wondering if that's the one that they're calling a pressed pigment, though. Coral Pop, Pretty Peach, Champagne. Oh, yeah. So, like, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shades are considered pressed pigments, and then only 2 of them are actually eyeshadows, which really isn't, it's only an American thing that happens, really. Okay, so that's everything we got in both of our Ipsy bags. I liked both of them a lot. I think both of them were pretty decent for the profiles. Like, nothing really seemed super off in either of the boxes, so I thought they were both really good. But now it's your turn to let me know what you thought. If you get these bags, either one of them, let me know what you got in your bag. I like to hear what everybody gets in their bags because they are very different across every person's profile, so I love to hear what everybody got in theirs. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. It really helps me out here. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more puppies just, you know, living their best life back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, we talked about puppies, and here you are. This is Josie. Say hi. Say hi. She's my old girl. How old are you now? She's, what, 11? Both these 2 German Shepherds are old. 11 years old this year. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and go. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.